You can barely see it. I ran up the stairs. Can y'all see it? Let me get in the shade. Ooh, I'm in my slippers. It's just an airplane trail. I thought it was cool looking. You hear all the birds? Quite a little song they got going on, huh? Can you hear them? That's mostly blue jays, I'll bet you. Over here, over here. No, I'm over here. It's a sunshiny day. Look at that tree. That's a big tree. I love it as long as it stays healthy. We got work to do, y'all. Oh, update. Since I got you. Now we have to get a backhoe and we got to get the stumps out, because if you don't get the stumps out later on, there will be sinkage or something. I think that's basically what happens, because everything will rot underneath and just collapse. And if you don't get the stumps out, then your cement will crack. So now we have upgraded to not grinding stumps. Now we are getting a backhoe. I don't have to get video of him on a backhoe. I hope it's warmer. I can put my camera on the tripod and set it out here. Or his. All I gotta do is sign into his. And he's got a fancy new phone now that we're supposed to be making videos with. But I didn't sign into Google because when they're setting up the phone, because I don't know my password to Google, y'all. Do y'all know your password to Google? You know how many passwords? I have a book for passwords. And if I lose the book, oh man, it would be awful. All kinds of things. I think that one's got, I'm not sure if it's got to go or not. These two have to go. And it's oak. We'll use it. Well, one is oak, one is a spruce. I see that. We're going to let this one go. Hopefully it'll stay alive and get healthy and grow. And it'll grow right up over the, that'll be kind of cool. It might straighten up some, hopefully. We're not cutting these down because we want to, y'all, but we got to have this barn. Look at this graveyard. Isn't that sad? He did some work, didn't he? But yeah, we're not ready. And that's the final word for now. I don't know what that time means. Couple weeks. I don't think it's going to be too long. We'll have our barn going up. Maybe Keith will tell us more about it later. Alright, I'm done yapping. Look at the ice on the driveway. It's not even turning to slush yet. That's very solid. And that's probably, I don't know, 2 inches of ice. Yeah, about 2 inches of ice. Because it puddles into the driveway before it goes away. Now we know. I'm trying to think of what to do about it. Just build it up some, I think, is what needs to be done. With sand, I don't know. Road base, I don't know. Because then it hurts when you blow it. Anyways, y'all have a good day. Sounds pretty peaceful out here, doesn't it? Check out that rock. I'm going to plant something on each side of the rock, and that's about it. From there, I think the woods will stay the woods. I'm going to try growing some berries in some sunny spots up there, but leave it the woods. I'll see. It's a good day. We can see the ground. Progress will be made. This will be the big progress. After that, we've got to get the house done, redone, sealed, and kissed so it'll look pretty. And then we have to paint that to match everything else. We got a good couple years worth of work in us. That's why we had to do this now, because yeah, time is ticking and we're getting tired. But it is a pretty day. The sun is shining. I should have put on a pair of shorts and took a picture of me in a lawn chair right under there. I'm gonna put a bench in there somewhere, and there'll be flowers and stuff in there if I can get them to grow. But yeah, the woods will stay the woods. Oh, wow, I had my camera right on it. I have to go pretty soon because my slippers will start leaking after a while. Look at this tree. I've been supposed to do this for a couple days, but I was lazy and it was cold and I didn't want to come out. Ooh, can you see? This tree broke and fell on this oak tree. And there it is. We think it's still alive. We're going to try to fix it. Is that crazy? That was not Bigfoot, y'all. Oh, that's another big spruce right behind there. That might be a good place for the owl box. Huh. You hear that sound? That sounds like a bird from Australia. Meow, meow. Playing some kind of strange instrument. All right, I'm out of here. Lovely day, y'all. Take it easy.